All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and everyone. My name is Rico Kilao, and here we are once again to share with you the information, education, and solution on how we can live a healthier life, as well as how we can improve our life. So if you're listening here for the first time, we'd like to welcome you. And of course, know that this call is something na pwede hong makatulong sa inyo, no? Especially sa larangan ho ng kalusugan, especially sa panahon ho ngayon. Napakarami ho nating mga happenings, gatherings, nako, mga kainan na pupuntahan. Ang tanong ito ho bang ating mga kinakain healthy, no? Especially these days, ito ho yung nagiging problema ho natin, no? A lot of people are getting sick. Nandiyan ho yung 18 million cases of cancer noong 2020, 529 million na nagsasuffer ho sa diabetes, 40% ng global population are suffering from mga mental health concerns, and more than 500 million people around the world nagkakaroon ng problema sa kanilang cardiovascular diseases. 20.5 million deaths ho yan noong 2021. So yun ho yung dapat ho nating maunawaan at malaman na ito hong pagkakasakit palaganap ho ng palaganap, at pag hindi ho natin pinangalagaan ang ating kalusugan, mahari hong mapabilang tayo dyan sa mga statistics na yan. And of course, another reality check is parami ho yung mga nawawalan ng opportunities, nawawalan ng trabaho, na andyan ho yung natural disasters, yung AI, yung mga pandemic, di ba? Pagka ho nagkakasakit tayo, talagang apektado ho pati yung ating kabuhayan. And on top of that, pati ho yung inflation, yun ho yung pagbaba ng halaga ng pera, at patuloy naman hong tumataas yung mga presyo ng bilihin. Kaya ho maraming mga tao ngayon, hindi na nga nakakaipon, nalulubog pa sa utang. Yun ang problema, no? So, these are some of the things that we're going to share with you. Paano ho ba natin masusolusyonan yan? And that's what we have been doing for the past 19 years here in Opulence Global, which is a Canadian company na meron din yung office dito sa Pilipinas. Makikita ho natin yan sa Ortigas. So very solid, very stable ang company, and ang mission ho natin dito, the reason why we are having this call, is to help people achieve health and financial wellness. So yan ho yung susolusyonan ho natin, and very credible, very trustworthy ang ating company. We have the BBB accreditation, and on top of that, we are being led by our founder and CEO na malawak ho yung karanasan niya sa pagpapalaganap at pagpapalago ng mga negosyo. Ayan, 5 multi-million-dollar businesses na ho ang napalago niya. So we are backed up by a very strong and experienced leadership. Okay? So, first topic that we're going to share with you is yung Safe Home Revolution. Yan ho yung aming advocacy. Ligtas na tahanan upang maging malusog ang bawat miyembro ng pamilya. Yan ho yung ating pag-uusapan. Because nowadays, sabi ko nga ho, naglipana na yung mga sakit. And you know, one of the common reasons why we get sick is because of the damage caused by mga free radicals and oxidative stress. So, in short, no, itong mga free radicals, yan ho yung sumisira sa ating mga healthy cells. Over a period of time, pag dumami ho yung mga sick cells, dyan ho nagsisimulang madamage yung ating mga organs. Now, saan ho ba nanggagaling yung mga free radicals na yan? They are everywhere. Halos lahat to, everyday, nakakahalubilo natin itong mga bagay na sumisira sa ating mga cells, na andyan ho yung mga medications, yung mga drugs and antibiotics, exposure sa cigarette smoke, yung stress, nako, parte na ho ng buhay natin yan. Viruses and bacteria, electromagnetic forces, household chemicals, alcohol, excessive exercise, mold, even yung radiation na nanggagaling sa ating mga gadgets. Imagine niyo, lagi nating bitbit yan, and yet, yun pala ay nagpapadami ng free radicals na sumisira sa ating kalusugan, and not to mention yung pollution na nanggagaling sa air, water, and food. Lalong-lalo na ho yung mga kinakain natin these days, ha? Ingat-ingat ho tayo itong holiday season. Baka maparami ho yung mga toxic elements na nakakain ho natin. Ako talagang dyan ho nagsisimulang mag-deteriorate at masira yung ating kalusugan. Samahan pa ng pagpupuyat. Nako, especially ang daming parties ngayon, ha? So, nakakasira na naman ang ating katawan yan. Toxins and UV rays. So as we are exposed to these things, parami ho ng parami yung free radicals sa ating katawan. And the more free radicals we have, the more we are susceptible to different types of illnesses and diseases. Diyan ho nagsisimulang bumagsak ang ating resistensya. But there is a way to fight back. Ito yung tinatawag nating proper nutrition. Tamang pagkain ho pala para nang sa ganon maprotektahan, mapangalagaan yung ating kalusugan. And sabi ho sa proper nutrition, we have to eat more of the plant foods rather than animal products. Because yung mga plant foods, they contain antioxidants that reduce the impact caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. So yun pala, no, pagkaing halaman. At yung antioxidants na yan, meron isang uri ng antioxidant known as lignans. Ngayon ko lang ho narinig yan dito sa Opulence Global. Ano, yung lignans pala na yan, napaka-powerful when it comes to protecting and preserving our health. So it is a very powerful antioxidant. Meron din ho siyang antimicrobial properties and anti-inflammatory activity. Now, yung mga tao ho na kumakain daw ng mga pagkain na mayaman at masustansya sa lignans, eto ha, 30 years of studies, matagal na pag-aaral ho ito. And nakaka-experience daw ho ng 30% less cancer, 30% less risk of cardiovascular diseases, and on top of that, no, nakakapagpababa pa ho ng cholesterol level at nakakatulong ho siya, particularly sa mga may prostate issues. So napakarami ho niyang health benefits, ano? So ang tanong, are we eating these foods every day? Lalong-lalo na itong mga foods na nakikita nyo sa inyong screen. Yung flaxseed, sesame seed, multigrain bread, curly kale, broccoli, apricots. Yun ang nakakalungkot eh. Kasi hindi na ho natin nakakain itong mga pagkain na yan araw-araw. As a matter of fact, base ho sa pag-aaral sa US, we are only consuming 1 milligram of lignans. Base ho yan sa mga pagkain kinakain natin ngayon. Eh ang kailangan ng ating katawan, 50 to 100 milligrams. So ano ho yung solusyon natin dyan? Kaya ho si Opulence Global came up with this solution known as the Fountain of Life. Ito hong ating Fountain of Life, napakataas ng lignans concentration. Imagine niyo yung flaxseed, isa sa mga pinakamataas, it contains 300 milligrams, and yet itong ating Fountain of Life only it contains more than 5,166 milligrams. So grabe no, 17 times more lignans, more potent, more powerful. As a matter of fact, ang ginagawa ho namin dyan is pinapatak namin sa ilalim ng dila. Okay? So, just 10 drops, 10 patak. At pag mineasure ho natin yung lignans concentration dun sa 10 patak ng ating Fountain of Life, eh katumbas ho yan ng lignans na makukuha nyo from drinking 50 cups of green tea. Imaginein mo 50 tasi ng green tea, 100 cups of tomatoes, 510 cups of lettuce, or 1,800 cups of apple. So ito ho yung sabi nga ho natin napakataas na concentration ng lignans in just 10 drops na pinapatak ho natin sa ilalim ng dila. So saan ho ba nanggaling itong lignans or antioxidants na yan? So it basically comes from the extract of the Norwegian spruce tree, which is known to be the most potent and strongest lignans in the world. Yan daw ho yung may pinakamabisa at pinakamalakas na uri ng antioxidant or lignans sa buong mundo. Ito hong puno na ito, mind you, can live hundreds or even thousands of years. Ang pinakamatanda ho na puno na yan is 9,550 years old. Why is that? Because ito hong puno na to is a self-healing, disease-free tree. Ito daw ho yung puno na hindi nagkakasakit. It can withstand oxidative stress at nalalabanan niya ho yung mga invasive threats na nanggagaling sa mga microbes, insects, and even pests, no? So yung katagalan na ho, evolution over time has provided these trees with very efficient chemical defense and preservation mechanisms coming from these powerful lignans. So 3 things yung ginagawa ho ng lignans na yan: antioxidant, pinoproteksyonan yung ating mga cells; antimicrobial, nilalabanan yung mga microbes, germs, bacteria, and even viruses; and on top of that, anti-inflammatory, piniprevent ho yung pamamaga ng sistema ng ating katawan nang sa ganun mas maging maayos yung daluyan, lalong-lalo na yung sa ating dugo, no? So yun ho yung maganda dito sa ating product, the same property na nagpapatibay, nagpapatatag, nagpapahaba ng buhay sa puno na yan, eh pwede na ho nating ma-enjoy yung benefits the same with our body. So this is a product, no, from Canada. It's approved by Health Canada. Pinakamahigpit ho yan when it comes sa food safety, purity, and sanitation. So, ibig sabihin, napaka-safe ho niyan. Wala ho yung toxic elements na maaring makasama sa ating kalusugan. So the way we use this product is 10 drops, no? Minimum of 10 drops underneath your tongue. But of course, kung meron ho kayong mga nararamdaman na challenges na, eh kailangan ho natin na mas mataas na level of supplementation para ho mas mapakinabangan at lumakas ang ating resistensya. So fast acting, nakikita ho namin dyan dahil nga ho mabilis ma-absorb sa ilalim ng dila in less than an hour, it goes through your bloodstream. Kaya ho dito marami ho kaming mga testimonials na ang bilis lang ho ng nagiging resulta. Why is that? Dahil nga ho mabilis ang absorption, mabilis ang bioavailability, and at the same time, napakataas ng quality source of antioxidants or lignans. So you get all of the benefits of a lignant-rich diet in one simple regimen. You can use it any time of the day with or without food. Ganyan ho ka-safe yan, ano? So pakinggan nyo ho yung inyong katawan kung kailan nyo ho mas kayo nagbe-benefit. And you can use it topically too. So ibig sabihin, excuse me, pwede ho siyang ipahid. Ayan, okay? So some benefits ng high performance antioxidants when you use it internally, ang dami ano. It can support your immune system, it acts as anti-inflammatory, it protects heart health, protects prostate health, reduce breast cancer risk, decrease colon cancer risk, improves metabolism, promote weight loss, defend against dementia, improve sugar metabolism, control diabetes complications, it reduce hot flashes, it acts as antimicrobial, and it also helps in DNA protection. So ang ginagawa ho niya is pinapalakas niya ho yung sistema ng ating katawan kasi yung ating katawan ho kapag malakas ho yan, kaya niyang labanan lahat ng mga sakit. Kaya niyang pagalingin yung sarili niya. So ang magic wala ho dito sa ating product. Ang magic is naandito sa ating katawan. Kaya lang, kailangan mo siyang i-nourish, kailangan mo siyang i-protect, kailangan mo siyang palakasin. Nang sa ganon, yung katawan natin, pag malakas yan, may kakayanan yan pagalingin yung sarili niya. And you can use it topically too, ha? Marami ho tayong mga testimonials dito na nag-improve yung kanilang hair health, sunburns and blemishes, nawala ho yung aking gum inflammation dyan, yung aking bleeding gums. Others use it as a deodorant because of the antimicrobial properties. Others use it sa pinapahido nila sa almoranas. Ayan. Rashes and irritations, wounds and cuts, nail fungus and cuticles, even sa mga muscle and joint pains. Yan na ho yung ginagamit ko ngayon na pain reliever. No? Dahil nga ho, syempre, pag namamaga yung katawan mo, may pain kang nararanasan dyan. So imagine, a simple lifestyle change adding lignans to your diet, it can significantly increase the nourishment and protection na kailangan ho ng ating kalusugan. Especially ho sa panahon ngayon, ha? Ang usong-uso ho yung mga trangkaso, usong-uso yung mga lagnat, sipon, ubo. Yan ho, kailangan ho nating palakasin at patatagin ang ating resistensya. At ito hong lignans sa pinag-uusapan ho natin, napakaganda ho niyan, no? Especially sa mga iba't ibang klasing problema mo sa kalusugan. Okay? So not only we are into health, but we also have solutions in skincare, oral care, personal care, and fashion. So yung iba't ibang mga produkto na yan, na pampa-beauty, ang ating anti-aging skincare system sa mga gustong bumata yung itsura, yung ating toothpaste na walang fluoride. Nako, ingat ho kayo sa fluoride, ha. Marami pala yung mga health implications kapag lagi nyo hong ginagamit yan. Lalong-lalo na sa mga bata na apektuhan yung kanilang IQ development. So yung ating toothpaste, wala hong fluoride. We use microsilver, which is a German premium technology that has long-lasting protection against mga bacteria and even viruses. And then meron din ho tayong body wash plus shampoo and conditioner. 3-in-1 na ho yan, no? Itong ating Posh Captive for men and Posh Sensual for women. Hindi lang na nililinis yung ating katawan, buong katawan from head to foot, but it also nourishes us with powerful active ingredients para maproteksyonan yung ating outer part of our body. And then, on top of that, another shield that I use, itong ating Fairy Sterling hand and body moisturizer na again, may microsilver. So again, microsilver, pag pinahid nyo ho yan, hindi ka agad nawawala yan, but it brings long-lasting protection against bacteria. Samahan mo pa ng the most powerful antioxidant na Norwegian spruce tree extract, olive oil extract, and the shea butter para naman ma-hydrate and moisturize yung ating skin. Plus, on top of that, no, when you visit our online shop, kung mahilig kayong mag-shopping, especially sa panahon ho ngayon, maraming naghahanap ng mga regalo. Meron ho tayo ditong mga fairy fashion designer items. No? Ito, thousands of luxury designer goods and accessories brand na tinatangkilik ho ng more than 300 celebrity clients worldwide. So we encourage you to visit our online shop at www.opulence.com para makita nyo itong mga produkto that I am sharing with you today. And ito ho yung recent release ho natin, itong ating Divine, which is a supplement that supports your immune system, fight against damage caused by free radicals, and it promotes healthy skin. So imagine niyo ha, ito ho mga active ingredients na nasa ating Divine, mabibili nyo ho sa health shops individually. At hindi ho biro ang presyo ng mga yan. Ito ho, 6 na powerful ingredients pinagsama-sama sa isang product, no? Itong tinatawag nating Divine. So meron ho siyang maritime pine bark extract, zinc, glutathione, vitamin C, grapeseed extract at saka vitamin D. So pagtulong-tulong ho yan na nagpoprotekta, nagno-nourish, nagpapalakas ng ating katawan, it helps maintain yung and regulate itong ating immune system. It also supports liver and cell detoxification. It supports respiratory function. It aids in vision maintenance. It promotes diabetic health. It improves absorption of other antioxidants. Yan ang gusto ko dyan. Kasi kung ano man yung masustansyang kinakain mo, natutulungan niyang ma-maximize yung absorption. It supports collagen formation, especially kapag nagkakaedad na tayo, unti-unti na ho nagdi-diminish yan eh. Okay? It improves erectile dysfunction. It boosts brain function and memory. It improves the skin and it benefits heart health. So imagine niyo ha, ang daming health benefits no kasama pa nung Fountain of Life. Talaga ho siyang nagno-nourish at nagpoprotekta ng ating kalusugan. So nakakatuwa ho dito is marami na ho tayong real results and real testimonials of people who benefited from using our products. So hindi lang ho sa amin yan, pati sa pamilya ko, ginagamit na rin ho namin yan. And ito hong nakikita natin when we share it with other people, nakakatuwa ho na marinig ho natin yung mga benefits din na naranasan ho nila. Like for instance, we have a lady here, 90 days, yung kanyang fine lines and wrinkles almost gone. So kung gusto nyo hong bumata, instant banat, instant bata, ang tawag ko ho dyan. Ano? So use our products. On top of that, 11 months weight loss, lalong-lalo na ngayong holiday season. Ako, ingat-ingat ho sa ating timbang ha. And then, applying it topically, ito 7 days sa kanyang eczema, ang laki na ho ng improvement. Improvement sa hair health within 90 days. Ayan, sa mga gustong gumanda yung tubo ng kanilang buhok. We also have here even skin tone in 30 days. So ito mapapansin nyo ho talaga when you're using a powerful antioxidant, gumaganda ho yung inyong kutis. Because sabi nga, health starts from within. Pag malusog ang inyong loob, magmamanifest ho yan sa labas. Okay? And then we also have here 60 days alopecia. Alopecia is known to be an incurable disease. But lo and behold, tingnan nyo ho itong testimonial. Within 60 days sa paggamit ho ng FOL, unti-unti hong bumabalik eh. Kasi ang una niyang tinatarget is yung buhok mo nanlalagas eh. Tingnan nyo naman ho within 60 days, ang laki na kagad ng improvement. So, we basically have a lot of testimonials that you can see sa ating Fountain of Life and Divine official Facebook page. So kung gusto nyo kung makita pa yung napakarami nating testimonials of different people in different parts of the world, just go to Facebook and type the Fountain of Life and Divine Official. Makikita nyo ho dyan yung napakarami nating testimonials of different people in different parts of the world. So by the way, ito hong ating Fountain of Life is not a cure for any disease or ailment, but simply it is nature's most powerful plant antioxidant that reduces the damage caused by free radicals, which slows down aging and assisting the body to heal itself. Okay? So yan ho yun ha, pagkain lang ho yan, hindi ho yan gamot. Yun ho ating katawan, pagka nakakain ng tama, talagang binibigay niya ho o pinapagana niya ng ayos yung ating sistema ng ating katawan. Ayan, kaya nakakalaban tayo sa mga sakit. So marami ho yung mga testimonials na yan, no? Hindi ko na ho maiisa-isa yan, but then again, you can visit our Facebook page, Fountain of Life Official, and you can see tons and tons and tons of testimonials of different people in different parts of the world. Now, let's proceed for those of you who are interested to try our products. Makikita nyo ho yan, no? Maganda ho itong ating ibabalita sa inyo kasi miski hindi na ho kayo lumabas ng bahay, pwede ho kayong mapadeliveran nitong ating mga products para nang sa ganun masubukan nyo na ho. Because these products are available exclusively sa ating online shop. We call it an e-mall. Regardless kung nasa ang lugar ho kayo, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, even in the US, Canada, Australia, Africa, wala hong problema. Kahit nasa ang parte kayo ng mundo, we can have these products delivered right through your doorstep. Now, for those of you who are looking for an opportunity to also start their own e-commerce distribution business, ito rin ho yung ating susunod na pag-uusapan ho ngayon. Because ito hong ating mga produkto, hindi nyo ho yan makikita sa mga pharmacy, sa mga retail outlets. This is exclusive sa ating online shop. And you can be one of the owners nitong ating mga e-mall so that you can also distribute these products in more than 200 countries and territories. So I'll give you an overview of what this business is all about. Because in here, we offer a global turnkey dropship business with high-quality products and an opportunity to earn lifelong residual income at a minimal startup cost. So in essence, ready-made business na ho siya. Wala ka nang gagawin, nakaset up na kaagad yung negosyo mo, may infrastructure na, may distribution na, may produkto na, at may opportunity na para iba't ibang paraan para kumita ka dun sa negosyo na yan. Now, how does our turnkey dropship model work? Very simple. All you have to do is to set up your own e-mall, i-promote mo yung products that are in your e-mall, and when someone places an order doon sa inyong e-mall, regardless kung nasa ang partiho sila ng mundo, the company will prepare the order and it will even ship it your products directly dun sa customer mo, again, regardless kung nasa ang lugar ho sila. Miski nasa bahay ka, may umorder sa ibang bansa, the company delivers the product direct to your customer. Yun yung maganda doon, di ba? And then, ang maganda niyan, dahil ikaw ang nag-promote, ikaw ang nag-share, then you make the profits. Di ba? So, yun yung maganda. May infrastructure na for you to do your business globally. Now, maganda ho dyan, of course, minimal startup cost. Hindi mo na kailangan pag-investan pa. Yung pinag-investan na ng company, especially yung ating e-commerce platform, which is a $3 million software. On top of that, hindi mo na problema yung inventaryo. Hindi na ito yung reseller, di ba? Yung bibili ka muna, tapos ibebenta mo. Dito, literally, pwedeng bumili ng diretso yung customer mo dun sa online shop mo, wala kang nilabas na pera, and then the company will deliver the products direct to your customer. So wala kang na rin problema sa pagde-deliver ng products. Nako, isa ho yan sa mga pinakamahirap eh. Di ba? Lalong-lalo na sa ibang bansa. Ito, may tinatago ho tayo ditong full service delivery. So wala ka nang iintindihin, di ba? So company na problema sa pagpapadala ng products mo globally. So yun ho yung maganda kapag meron ho kayong katuwang na company that takes care of the business for you. So all you have to do is to keep on sharing your email, your products, the benefits, share your story. That's it. And regardless kung nasaan yung potential customer mo, we can have the products delivered to them. Okay? Now, by sharing the products doon sa inyong mga kakilala, kaibigan, kapamilya, or kung sino pa man yan, ang maganda ho dyan, you have 14 ways to make money in this business. So every time you share, pwede kang kumita ng tinatawag nating retail profit. Yung retail profit is of course, as a partner, pwede kang makakuha ng mas mababang halaga, wholesale price, di ba? Siyempre, pagka bumili ka ng wholesale package, mas nakakadiskwento ka. As much as 37% ang pwede mong ma-enjoy dyan, ha? So itong ating Fountain of Life, for example, for 320 siya at retail price, but you can get it for as low as 2,722. So ibig sabihin, kada isang bote mo ng Fountain of Life, pwede kang kumita ng 1,598 pesos per bottle. So if you are moving 10 bottles a month, 15,980 ka agad yon. Additional income stream yon, di ba? Yun ang maganda doon. Miski part-time mo ginagawa, nagkakaroon ka ng karagdagang income. Pag umaabot ka na ng 100 bottles in a month. Imagine that, 100 bottles in a month. And customers mo, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, but all around the globe. So, six-figure income na yan, almost 160,000 pesos. Okay? Sa Fountain of Life pa lang yun. Paano yung sa fashion, sa beauty, sa personal care? Diba? So, as your customers are doing their shopping dun sa e-mall mo, you can have more and more and more retail profits. Okay? Now, meron din tayong tinatawag na wholesale profit. Yung wholesale profit naman po, kapag yung mga customer mo, nag-decide din silang kumuha ng mga wholesale packages, pwede kang kumita dyan up to 350 Canadian dollars. Again, regardless kung nasa ang parte sila ng mundo, when they decide to get the wholesale packages, then you get the wholesale profit. Yun yung maganda doon, di ba? And then number 3, lifelong residual income. Ang kagandahan din ho nito is yung mga partners mo na yan na kumuha ng mga wholesale packages, may enjoy din nila yung mga benefits na i-enjoy mo. So walang lamangan, di ba? Ang maganda pa ho doon, any sale that they do doon sa kanilang e-mall, meron ko hong natatanggap doon na tinatawag nating commissionable volume. Yung commissionable volume niyo nanggagaling sa mga sales ng products ng mga partners mo, mga packages ng mga partners mo, even yung mga repeat orders ng mga partners mo, it is credited to you as commissionable volume. At ang maganda dyan, hindi lang yung sa mga direct partners mo, pati yung mga partners ng partners ng partners ng partners ng partners ng partners nila. Up to infinity. So imagine niyo, if you have those partners in different parts of the world, as you accumulate your CV, 5,400 CV, we call it a power cycle bonus, then you have $400 in team commissions. Okay? And it doesn't stop there. Dahil you get paid through infinity, pag umabot ng 54,000 CV, that's 10 power cycles, that's equivalent to $4,000. Okay ho ba yun? 160,000 pesos a month? Diba? Out of your team commissions. Team sales na ho yan, ha? Hindi mo na sales yan. Sales na ng team mo yan. And again, it doesn't stop there. It can even go on and on and on through infinity. So we have already discussed 3 ways na ho yan, ha? Galing sa retail, galing sa wholesale, galing sa team commissions. Meron pa hong iba yan. May personal team bonus pa. May monthly global revenue sharing pa. Profit sharing. Meron pang car and vacation club bonus. Imagine the company can pay for your own car or even your own vacation. So, iba't ibang streams of income ho yan, di ba? Pang-anim. Number 7, yung mga rank advancement incentives. So, meron din ho tayong mga travel incentives dito like luxury cruise, exclusive summit, exotic vacation, first class travel, and private jet travel. And then meron ding opulence points. By the way ha, matatapos na ho itong ating opulence points. And then fast start bonus, mentorship bonus, shopping spree, organizational revenue sharing, and even variance bonus. Hindi na ho natin madidiscuss every details of this, but we have a video that explains all of this different ways of making money. And if you decide to become a partner right now, meron ho tayong next training for you so that at least maintindihan nyo. Imagine niyo isang negosyo but 13 to 14 ways of making money in this business. Now, are you ready to get started? Paano ho ba ako magsisimula niyan? Ito yung pinaka-paborito ko. Dahil ako ho noon, nagsisimula ng negosyo, ang dami ko hong iniintindi. No, from setting up yung aking pwesto, iisipin mo pa yung renta, security deposit, 1 month advance, yung tao, yung yung ano decoration mo, di ba? Yung marketing mo, yung product mo, ay nako, ang dami mong iintindihin kapag nagsisimula ka ng sarili mong negosyo. Eto ready-made na. All you have to do is to set up your own e-mall. Yung e-mall natin, ready-made na ho yan. Infrastructure ni Opulence Global na meron ka ng sarili mong website, sarili mong online shop. All of the products are already preloaded dun sa online shop ninyo. And then of course, may global sales network ka na, makakapag-distribute ka na in more than 200 countries and territories. Ready to go na yung business mo na monitor mo pa lahat ng bumibili dun sa online shop mo. So, itong ating e-commerce platform, as mentioned earlier, is a $3 million software na nagkakaroon ka ng access for free. Imagine, di ba? Yan yung maganda sa partnership natin with Opulence Global. Now, yung capitalization mo for this business would now depend kung ilang products o kung gaano kadami yung products na kukuhanin mo. Pero would you believe this kind of global business that distributes in more than 200 countries, you can get started for as low as 13,140 pesos. Imaginein mo, global business, e-commerce platform, may products ng kasama for only 13,000 pesos. Ito yung tinatawag naming brand partner. So may e-mall ka na dyan, may products ka nang matatanggap. Of course, ito initial, pwedeng 2 bottles of FOL, isang toothpaste. Pag re-order mo, may 20% discount ka na. Okay? Tapos, welcome kit provides you with all the tools that you need to get started with your business. And then, meron ka pang mobile app na pag dinownload mo within 72 hours, meron ka pang mga freebies na pwedeng makuha dyan. And as a brand partner, you can already enjoy different types of making money like retail profits, wholesale profits, commission boost, and team commissions. But if you want to get started bigger, ayan, kung gusto mo, mas malakas ka agad yung dating ng negosyo mo, ito ho yung susunod naming package. We call this the Lifestyle Advisor Package, wherein mas marami yung products na makukuha mo. Makukuha mo yung lahat ng benefits na sinabi ko kanina, e-mall, yung mobile app, welcome kit. Tapos ang maganda ho nito, mas marami yung products na matatanggap mo. So you can choose any product of your choice, but for purpose of computation, gamitin ho muna natin tong FOL. So in here, you can get 17 bottles of FOL na nagkakahalaga ho ng 73,440. But guess what? Ang investment nyo lang ho dito is only what? How much? 58,800. So sulit na sulit ho yan. Bakit ho? Kasi dun sa 58,800 mo, makakakuha ka kaagad produkto, hawak mo. 17 bottles na nagkakahalaga na 73,440. Ibenta mo yung 17 bottles mo, balik yung puhunan mo, may tubo ka pa. 'Di ba? Wala kang talo, wala kang lugi dito sa negosyo. Miski nga hindi mo ibenta yung produkto mo, gamitin mo sa loob ng 1 taon, panalo ka pa rin. 'Di ba? Panalo ka sa kalusugan. Pag reorder mo pa, 30% discount ka. Ang maganda ho dito, nakaka-enjoy na ho siya. May access ka na sa 13 ways of making money. Now, ito ho yung pinaka-bestseller naman namin. Next package. Itong Lifestyle Advisor Plus. Bakit ho bestseller natin ito? Kasi ho mas dami ho siyang value o na pwede kayong makuha. Okay? So again, makukuha nyo ho yung lahat ng benefits do sa previous packages. Ang difference lang ho nito, mas marami kang products na pwedeng maiuwi. Okay? So 25 bottles, imaginein mo na nagkakahalaga, retail value is 108,000 pesos. Tingnan natin kung magkano lang ang puhunan. Ang puhunan is 72,820 pesos. Ibig sabihin, pag na-move mo lahat ng 25 bottles, balik na yung puhunan mo, magkano pa yung profit, potential profit mo, nasa mga 35,000 pesos. 'Di ba? Again, wala kang talo, wala kang lugi. Panalo ka talaga dito sa negosyong 'to. Pag reorder mo pa, 37% discount ka. Yan na ho yung pinaka-maximum discount na pwede niyong makuha, no? So ibig sabihin, pag may bumili sa'yo ng FOL, aba, edi magkano yan? Almost 1,600 pesos per bottle na yung retail profit mo. Eto, nakaka-enjoy na ho to ng 14 ways of making money. Yan ho yung nakakatuwa dito sa LA Plus na yan. Okay? Kasi nagkakaroon na siya ng variance bonus. Okay? Pero, eto ho yung bago nating nilaunch, no? Nirelease. Talaga naman nung pag tinignan nyo ho yung value nito, malulula ka. Kasi imaginein mo, ang total value ng mga products na pwede mong makuha, nasa mga 449,000 ang halaga. Kasi of course, napakaraming FOL, 74 bottles of FOL. Tapos meron ka pang 74,000 worth of fashion, beauty, and personal care products. So bahala ka kung anong gusto mo dyan. And then, meron diyang libreng Fairy Designer Luxury Watch. Naku, ito yung ating timepiece na talagang napaka-luxurious, napakaganda ho ng itsura. Imaginein mo ha, all of this kasama ho yan sa package. Total value is 449,000 but look, sa puhunan. Ang laki ng diferensya, 167,500 lang. So, ibig sabihin, pag na-move mo lahat ng products mo, balik pa rin ang puhunan mo, meron kang at least more or less nasa mga kulang-kulang 300,000 na pwedeng maging retail profit. Pag reorder mo, 37% discount ka. Okay? So, kaya ho tinawag namin siya the best deal. Tapos yan, makakapamili ka pa ng kung anong relo ang gusto mo, ha? So, yan yung mga luxurious items na yan. Ay, nako, ang ganda-ganda nung natanggap ho nating relo. Ito yata yung Aisa. Ito, Aisa. Yan. Yan ho yung natanggap ng isang ating LADE. Ayan. Okay. So, in summary, paano ho ba nangyayari dito sa negosyong ito? We call it the power of 6. Wherein, magsimula ka muna siguro sa 6 na kakilala mo, 'di ba? Pwede namang 2 lang muna, pero for purpose na makita mo talaga kung gaano kalaki itong ating negosyo, 6 people that you know na magkakaroon ng interest sa product, magkakaroon ng interest sa business, at yung 6 ho na yan, napakahalaga na turuan natin, i-coach natin, i-mentor natin. Kasi sila, pag nagawa nila yung negosyo, ganun din yung gagawin nila. Hanap din sila ng tiga-6. So yung 6 mo magiging 36, tas 216, 1296, 776. So a total of 9,330 people. Tigil muna tayo sa 5th level, although we get paid through infinity. Ibig sabihin, hindi ho natatapos dyan. Assuming lang, out of all those people na hindi mo pa kakilala, 20% lang ang naging active. 1,866 people will be on Smart Buy. May program ho kami dito wherein pag naka-Smart Buy ka, may additional benefits ka pa. Okay? So yung Smart Buy mo, pwede kang makakuha doon ng at least 2 bote ng FOL. So imagine niyo 20% ng buong organization mo through Infinity, bumibili lang ng 2 bote ng FOL kada buwan. Hindi nga nag-share hindi nga nagbebenta Bumibili lang for personal use. Alam niyo ho ba potential monthly income niyo doon? 423,000 by just those people who are buying 2 bottles of Fountain of Life through Infinity. Wow, grabe, no? Team commissions ang kinompute ho natin dyan. And of course, it doesn't stop there. Pag inabot ng 6th generation, using the same assumption, lalong mas malaki ho yung potential monthly income ho ninyo. Okay? So, 3 dynamics of this business. 1 is healthy living. Para ho dun sa mga bago ho dito, ano ho bang kailangan yung gawin? Unang-una, be a product of your own product. Yan ho yung ating unang priority. Unang-unahin natin is yung ating kalusugan. Kasi wala hong saysay ang ating kabuhayan at kayamanan kung wala ho tayong magandang kalusugan. At yan ho yung puhunan natin. Paano ho maniniwala yung mga tao sa atin kung tayo mismo hindi tayo gumagamit ng produkto natin? 'Di ba? So, healthy living, that's the first one. Pangalawa, solusyonan na ho natin yung ating problemang pinansyal. Meron na ho tayong opportunity dito wherein you can grow, no? Regardless kung anong background mo, profession mo, it doesn't matter. Ang mahalaga ho dito, may infrastructure na, may produkto na, may sistema na kung paano mo gagawin yung negosyo mo. At marami pang perks and privileges, di ba? You can really build a lifelong residual income, generational wealth. Ito ho yung negosyo na pagdating ng panahon na miski wala ka na dito sa mundong ito, mapapakinabangan pa ho ng mga maiiwan mo, ng mga anak mo, ng mga apo mo. Tawag ho namin dyan, generational wealth. Now, third one is personal development. Ito ho yung pinaka-paborito ko. Kasi dito ho sa negosyong ito, marami hong bagay na pwede tayong matutunan. So regardless kung may experience ka o wala kang experience sa negosyo, it doesn't matter because everything in here can be learned. Marami ho tayong trainings when it comes to product, when it comes to building your business. CEO pa ho natin yung nagte-train sa atin dito. So talagang ang mentor mo is yung may malawak ng karanasan sa pagpapalaganap at pagpapalago ng negosyo. So personal development. Ikaw mismo mag-grow ka as a person. Yung dating hindi mo nauunawaan, yung dating hindi mo nagagawa, you become a better version, nag-i-evolve ka. Okay? So kailangan ho yan sa isang entrepreneur, no, yung nag-i-evolve ka. So those three dynamics are what can happen to you when you get started with this kind of business. So what if you can have it all? So become a lifestyle advisor today and tap into this $4 million opportunity. Yun hong puhunan natin sa negosyo, isang beses nyo lang ho gagawin yun. Yung package ho nakukuhanin ho ninyo. But imagine the potential of this business. Ito ho yung pwedeng makapag-ahon sa atin. Diba? Basta syempre, sisipagan lang ho natin. Hindi ho ito yung negosyo na uupo ka lang, yayaman ka. Ha? Wala hong ganon. Kalokohan ho yun. Ito ho legal na negosyo na merong sistema, may infrastructure, may produkto, na hindi basta-basta produkto, ha, unique, proven, effective products na pag tiningnan nyo yung mga testimonials, talaga naman hong matutuwa ka dun sa mga nagpapasalamat sa iyo. Okay? And remember, yung ginawa mo na isang pagdesisyon, no? Pagdating ho sa pagsisimula ng negosyo, pwede ho magbalik sa inyo yan. Pwede ho magbigay ng panghabang buhay na kabuhayan. Okay? At ang maganda ho dyan, hindi ho kayo mag-iisa. Meron ho tayong mga katuwang sa negosyo. Meron ho tayong katulong, di ba? Hindi ho kayo yung lahat ikaw magpe-present katulad ho ngayon. Naimbitahan lang ho kayo dito ng mga nag-invite sa inyo, pero meron ho nagpe-present para sa kanila. Especially if you're new, we can do this system na invite lang kayo ng invite sa mga meetings and someone else will do the presentation for you until marunong ka na, di ba? So contact the partner who invited you here. And of course, kung may mga questions ho kayo, kung meron ho kayong mga gustong i-share, please feel free to share them dito sa ating comments. No, I'll be posting this sa YouTube. You can comment on that. And this is our Opulence Highway. So meron na ho tayong step by step kung saan kayo magsisimula, ano yung next step, ano yung next step. And as you go to the next step, nako, padami ho ng padami yung benefits. Nakikita nyo ho yung 1, 2, 3, naandyan yung car, naandyan yung vacation, naandyan yung luxurious living. Ay nako, nakakatuwa ho, no? And ang maganda ho dito, ito ho yung negosyo na para umunlad ka, na para umusad ka, kailangan tulungan mo muna yung mga tao na umunlad at umusad din, di ba? So hindi ho ito lamangan business, ito ho ay tulungan business. Because in this type of business, ang kailangan mong gawin, tulungan mo yung mga tao unang-una sa kalusugan, tulungan mo yung mga tao pangalawa sa kabuhayan. Okay? And the more people you help in this business, the more successful you become. Yun ho yung nagustuhan ko dito. Mag-focus ka muna kung paano natin matutulungan yung mga tao at yung tulong ho na yon, yung misyon na tinatawag ho namin na yon, hindi pwedeng hindi susunod ang komisyon. Ay, nako, nakakatuwa ho. No, it's a very fulfilling business na as you help people, you are also helping yourself to grow as well as your business. Okay? So that being said, kung may mga questions ho kayo, please feel free to put your questions in our Q&A box. And this is the end of my presentation. I'll end this recording, but for those of you who are tuning in here right now, get back to the person who invited you here for your questions. No, kung may mga katanungan ho kayo, huwag niyo hong ipagpabukas yan. Itanong nyo na ngayon kung merong hindi malinaw ho sa inyo. And I know that the people who invited you here will be more than willing to answer your questions and help you out to get started with this business. Okay? Especially right now, patapos na ho ang taon, siguro New Year's resolution nyo. Sabi mo, gusto ko, I want to do something different, something good, nang sa ganon ang aking 2025 will be much, much better than 2024. That being said, maraming salamat po sa pakikinig dito sa ating presentation, and I do hope that you find some value in it. And when you see a value in something, you need to take action. Make a decision and take action because it all starts from there. Alright, so magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. God bless po, and may you have a prosperous and a bigger 2025. That's my prayer to each and every one of you. And to the billion, thank you everyone. God bless.